lovely family, welcome to your favorite cooking channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to preserve your turkey berries. Abeju, Ameju, Tundak, Nelbefreni Biano. And we're going to look at how to preserve your turkey berries in the most realistic way in your house. So usually the turkey berry it comes from the tree with this mini stems or mini branches of it, and you'd have to take them off the mini branches. I don't know how to call it, yes. So if you know the right term, please put it in the comment section for me. So this can be a bit painstaking, but it's worth it. As you're doing that, you're also checking for the bad ones. The bad ones, you leave it out in the tray. The good ones, you put it into your bowl. There's one way you're on, yes, to let you do this one, sir. And it's a nice, kind of fun stuff to do. But you can also decide to buy it from the market where they've already removed the turkey berries from the branches as well, the mini branches as well. So yes, turkey berries are very nutritious, and virtually you can use them in your soups, in your stews. These days I even add a bit of it to my gravies. Yes, when you blend it in, you don't even see this, but then the nutritional value it gives to you, it's very, very good in there. And for people who have issue with blood and all those ones, if you want to have a normal or a good balance in there, these come in handy as well. So once you've taken all of them off, you need to wash them. Yes, they are open source stuff, so you need to wash it with your normal water and the tap water. I'll just wash it. Then once you're done, you want to also just wash it with a little bit of salt. Yes, just to kill, just in case there's any bacteria, anything around it. Yes, you just want to kill, and then also check it as well. You can use apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar of your choice as well. You can use fruit and vegetable cleaners as well on it as well. So once you're done washing it, you're going to also drain that water off. Yes, now the salt also kind of helps preserve it a little bit, and so it increases your shelf life for your turkey berry as well. So when it comes to turkey berries, you know one thing about it. If you put it into your fridge and it is not well dried, it's going to get rotten. So if you want to keep it in your fridge, maybe like for 3 days, maximum 1 week, you may have to then mop it with your towel or clean it. But if not, and you want to keep it in your freezer for the longest possible time, then we are going to use a hot water in. So like I said, make sure you pick out all the bad ones from it. And once you're set, put it into a strainer to make it easy for you to take it out. Yes, you have to use a strainer. So I just poured boiling hot water onto it, and I'm going to let it sit in for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes maximum, because this you're not cooking it. You just want the heat to kind of get to it and then blanch it up. So what this does is that it preserves the color of your turkey berries. If you don't do this and you put your turkey berries directly into your freezer, you realize that it can become black, very, very black. But when you do it like this, the color, yes, it becomes very dark green, but not black. And so it can be in your freezer for longer as well, and you're not going to have so much issues. This is virtually like a bit introduced into heat, and so it can also stay longer for you. And then when you use it, you can blend it anyway into your stews, your soups, without even boiling afterwards. That is another trick about working with these turkey berry as well. So once you're done, you just need to polythene, ziplock it, or keep it in your storage container, however you want to store it, and then you can keep it in your fridge after it has dried properly, or you can just freeze it up. Yes, depending on how long you're keeping it. Your freezer don't go beyond 6 months, 1 year. Please, when you put garbage in, garbage out, take it quickly and then consume. Your fridge, yes, three days, 1 week maximum. You should make use of it. So this is how realistically I store and I handle my turkey berries, and it always works for me. And so I recommend this for you as well in your homes, and make most of this as well. So like, see you in the next food video. Do live life to the fullest, be joyous, be merry. Lots of love for my team and I, and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah, love ya.